comment down below. Does this white look off? Does it look as bad as I think it looks? I don't think that it looks good at all. Today I really wanted to show you guys one of my favorite things that I've done to this car, and it's such a subtle thing. It's so small, but it's done so much. And I also really kind of just wanted to talk about how much little tiny details add up to make your car look way better or a lot worse. If you guys saw the last video that I posted, you saw that I was going insane on the back roads. I was going nuts. And when I went down that road, I really meant for it to be a snow video. I didn't realize that all the snow had melted. And so I got my car incredibly dirty, and I really didn't want to do that. So now I mean, like, look at this window. Do you see this? This is insane. That's insane that that is even occurring right now. So I'm taking my lunch break. I'm sacrificing the fact that I could be eating right now, but I'm taking my lunch break to go and wash my car because I can't stand, like, to have it be this way for a second longer, if that makes sense. I think, like, literally I'm sitting at my desk and my car's not, I can't even see my car, but I'm sitting at my desk and my skin is crawling because I know that it's so incredibly disgusting. So I need to get that fixed. I literally cannot go a second longer. I mean, just now that I'm really thinking about my paint work and things that I like about my car and things that I don't like about my car, this has just started to really piss me off the way that this looks. I thought that it would look super cool because before I had this painted down here to be white, and that also, like, I had it exposed and I thought that that would be a cool look, and it really just looks tacky. I don't know, maybe I'll go back to it if you guys think that it looks cool, but I really couldn't disagree more if you thought that it looks cool. Dude, that guy's going in before me. You're definitely getting your car washed, aren't you? Onida. Oh my gosh, you're going to Taco Bell instead. Incredible. Incredible. Okay guys, this is a brand new parking lot. The last time I came here, it was totally ripped up and you couldn't even come in. So I'm looking forward to being able to actually wash my car here again. It's right down the street from my work. I'll back it up a little bit, back it up a little bit. Yeah, so now I'll show you how dirty this car is. Here are my quarters. Quarter please, quarter please. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's nasty, bro. Oh, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. And it's this piece right here. This black, painted black. I got this idea from some guy on Instagram. He had a hatchback something that he did that too. And it makes it look like an Evo. It makes the front end look like it's open. Like it's that whole front grille is an open area rather than it being like two sections of the grille. Just says more. More. 7 minutes. That's good. High pressure rinse. Let's get some rinse going. Let's get a quick rinse. Rinse it down. Also, you guys, I don't care what you say. I use that brush on my car. I'm gonna wrap it at some point, so I don't really care if it scratches the paint a little bit. It's not the end of the world. I haven't found a good strategy for destroying the paint, that is. Wow, just the rinse is making a huge difference. That's so okay. Now do you see what I'm talking about? Do you see how that like really just ties the front end together? Yeah, it makes it a lot better. Only got 4.5 minutes. This is not my proudest moment. Also, I don't want to get anything on my snowboard either. Let me know if you guys want any snowboarding footage. I think I might go one more time this year. Just been so busy. But I might go. If you guys ask me to, I might go. Easy. See how it's starting to flake off a little bit? I think what I'm going to start doing is getting all these little these other black trim pieces to match, to paint match, because I've got the mirrors that match the paint, and I've got the paint that I could spray the side skirts and the hood scoop. So I kind of want to see what it looks like with everything paint matched and then that black, and I'm going to touch it up and make it look better, because I think that it would really tie it together nicely. I don't like how this is, I don't like the black in the silver anymore. It kind of looks dumb. It looks like spare parts. But you know what I'm thinking? Like these I've got paint matched too, and I'll probably redo those. It's actually carbon fiber under there, so they look pretty cool. But I really am curious as to what this would look like if everything was paint matched to be silver, to match the car. Then maybe do something with these wheels. What do you guys think? What color should I do? Let me know. And I might get rid of the red mud flaps too. I really don't know. I'm not sure right now what I'm planning on doing. I've got a lot of options, I think, because I also thought this yellow, like this yellow vibe, going with like some yellow calipers, and then maybe like black mud flaps, because I've got a set of black mud flaps, and they might look better if that's the theme I'm going for. Okay, nice and clean. I feel, dude, honestly, I feel so much better. That made me, man, I don't have like a lot of anxiety issues, but that like surely made me feel amazing. If you guys recognize this place, this is that place that I did the scam, what's it called? The scam, the scam oil change. It's part of the same shop, so I really like that place a lot. Ever since I did that sting operation on those guys, and I asked them to, or I pretended like I was not really knowing what I was doing, and they treated me really well. They were very, very nice. So I've been just going there religiously. Even though I can change my own oil, I just go to Victory Lane now because I trust them. And I also, what I really like about Victory Lane is that when you're in there and they're like doing your stuff, they're shouting out to each other like their checklist of things that they've done. So like, drain bolt is tight, oil filter on, fluids checked, windshield washer fluid, fill, whatever, like all this shit. And they like, because I've done so many oil changes, I know how easy it is to forget something. Like I forgot a guy's oil cap one time, and that was not good. That was not a good situation. So I do really appreciate that they take that courtesy and that commitment. So Victory Lane, sponsor me. Oh my gosh, that was a police officer. That was an actual cop. I didn't realize that was a cop, and he had his windows down. That was so dumb, dude. That was so dumb. But honestly, I think that if I was anywhere else, it would have been an actual problem. In Michigan, they don't really care at all what you do. They don't care if your muffler is loud. They don't care if your car is modded. I know that a lot of people in California have issues with that. I have never gotten pulled over for my car being loud. I've had a lot of people tell me that my car is too loud and that they complain to me, but not ever law enforcement. So if you're looking to have a place to move to where you can do whatever the hell you want with your car, come to Michigan, because look at me. I mean, look at me. I have no problems. Okay, you guys, I really appreciate you coming along on this little adventure. Let me know what you think about the paint and what kind of color scheme goes well with silver. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I want to do, but you know, the springtime is afoot. It's January, it's coming up, so you know, it's rejuvenation season. That's what I'm looking for. So give me ideas, drop them down below, and any other questions that you got, let me know, please. I love you.